No? Where's the gun? You got a BB gun. Okay, I'll cover. Search her. Pat her down.
Where is the BB gun in the room?
All units were 10-12.
Anywhere in the room.
Hispanic male,
Is
Hispanic
it in the drawer?
female.
Is it in the desk? In the bed? Where is it?
Coach, you can get it there, Coach, I promise.
That's 10-4. We're 10-12. We got him prone out in the hall.
You can get it. It's nothing else. Just a BB and you can get it.
You're going to stand up with me, face the wall.
It's a student.
Yep.
I'm going to pat you down, okay?
So no one else is inside there, right? You understand why we're doing this?
Yes, sir, no
Okay?
problem.
Because we think you got a real gun. This place is surrounded by cops, so you're not going to do anything foolish, right?
No, of course.
Go ahead and cuff him up.
All right, sir, put your hands behind your back for me.
No problem.
Female detained. Detaining the male now.
The other hand?
You're not sitting here? No, ma'am. I go to Broward. You go to Broward?
Okay. Send her back with them. You guys can keep her company for me, please? What'd you say?
I'm sorry for this problem.
You're sorry for it. Yeah. Sorry's a good start. He's got nothing?
Make sure you search.
Yep.
Search his front too.
Go ahead and stand him up and search him that way. It'll be easier. Roll him onto his side.
Yeah, no problem.
You got that door covered?
1, 2, 3.
All right. You're going to go to your left, all right? Mm-hmm. Ready? 1,
2, 3.
2.
Pull your knee in, tuck one in, and stand up.
This knee?
Yep. One.
You're going to stand up with your left leg.
Stand up with your left leg.
Okay.
There you go.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Let's search him. Just make sure he's got nothing on him.
All in there.
Which direction is this room? Right or left?
Where's your room?
To the left.
You got room C, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Okay. So,
Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
and you're Mr. Cabrera, right?
Yes, sir. Whatever you need me to do, I'll do.
Turn your right.
So,
Nope. Turn your head.
Turn your head.
Open your mouth. All right.
Go ahead and escort him over.
you're going to hang out with my deputy friends over here.
Whatever you
So,
need me to do.
you're good with us going in your room, right?
Yeah.
Where's the gun? Where's the BB gun?
It's probably like below the table.
Under the table in your room in room C.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the table.
On the table.
No problem. I
Okay.
can go with you. Nothing.
Oh, you're not coming with us? Nope.
Whatever
Nope.
you need.
But you're okay with us going in there and grabbing it, right?
Yeah. You can
Okay.
go with it.
All right. Just hang with my deputy friends. You heard all that, Commander? Okay. He says he's got a BB gun and it's in his room on the table in C, Charlie. So, gonna send. We're gonna go in and go retrieve it, but we're gonna sweep the room first. So it's gonna be. Absolutely. Absolutely, we're gonna do that, bud. Yep, we have been. Yep, yep. All right, so we'll do, sir. We'll do. Okay, bye. All right. Cabrera, your room locked or not?
No, no lock.
No lock. Okay. Okay. Stay with. Just
Open door. I got Cabrera straight ahead of us, all right?
Cabrera's room.
It's
Yeah,
A.
straight ahead.
It says A.
It's A.
Okay.
It says Cabrera on it.
Larkin Dispatch made entry into 217.
129. We're all there, dispatch. Go ahead and release the channel.
Mike, keep going.
10-8 from 1033 traffic at
See how they're
129
standing?
hours.
Okay. Nobody's standing in front of each other. Not lasering
We're
anybody.
rolling to DeLuca.
Just want to give you an eye. Because you're sort of missing out today.
Yeah, I know.
How's this for a first day, though?
Actually, pretty good.
We're rolling to DeLuca.
10, 12 of them. Okay. Make sure that there's no one else inside.
Unless you need him there, I need him down here as soon as possible. With his 10-12.
10, 4. I got coming in. Okay. Yeah. I actually know which one it is. Okay. Did we secure the weapon or not?
No, we haven't found it
Okay.
yet. We just make sure there's nobody in there.
Okay. All right.
Do a search.
Behind you?
Oh, I got visual of it now.
You see it?
Yeah, I do.
Coming out. Is that all clear there, or we still need to go?
What do we have down that hall, guys? Okay. DeLuca. Oh, never mind.
Clear? Hold D. I'm gonna grab the signal, alright? Ready? Yep. Sorry, can you hit this handle for me?
Police department, anybody in?
I don't know if it's unlocked yet. Clear. Coming out.
Police department, come in. Let go. Okay. All right. Go down and see Commander with your 1012 and bring the gear with you. Caleb, you're staying with me. All right. Send in DeLuca now. All right.
10-4, you retrieve that on him?
We have eyes on it. Delbray's about to grab it. It's a black firearm. Looks resembling like a Beretta.
Gloves.
He's got gloves.
Understood. Level 92.
There's no fit me sparks.
Gloving up, grabbing it now. I'll advise you in about 2 secs.
10-4. If you haven't already done so, find out if he has any other weapons.
Relay that down. Make sure they ask him again if he's got anything else. I know we asked him, but... Yep. Cabrera says that's a negative on any other weapons.
Common girder.
10-4, looks
No.
like model 92.
10-4. It's rattling. It's full of BBs. Okay, bring it close. Hold it up in front of a camera.
I'm going to start getting students back in here in just a couple.
10-4.
It looks like
Looks legit.
the hammer work.
No orange tip.
No orange tip.
No, that looks the real deal. Okay, so that was located. Oh, look, in his room. It's marked Cabrera. Straight ahead on the desk, on his file.
Student ID.
Yep,
Student ID's right here.
yep, that's him. That's our 1012. Okay. All right. And we're coming out of the apartment, and there's no other persons present.
Bag it for him.
Okay.
Roll of alarm and say again.
We've exited 217. All the other rooms are clear. No one else is 1012, and no other weapons are observed.
10-4. Please take a photograph of that item. Coordinate with dispatch for Courtney's email address and get it over to her as soon as possible.
10-4. I'm going to do it with my phone. Bring it over here into the light. This way. And set it down. BB gun, guys. I grab these off of. Okay.
Baseball team.
There we go. Every time I go to get close with it, I'm getting in the, yeah, I'm gonna flip it over. No, it's gonna be too much light. There. No, that's perfect. Just hold it right where it is. Okay. All right. Cutting this off.
Charlie 20.